What's going on, YouTube Kingdom Crew? We're back with another video, and I just got off of work, so yeah, it was a long day. We're still dealing with the no AC issue, but the technician will be here tomorrow to fix it. So this is just it's coming to a head. It's coming to an end, and I'm so glad about it. It's been about a week that we've had no AC, and we've been dealing with it as best as we can. We have a fan here. My honey got that fan here to kind of keep in here a little bit of cool. And the guy came, the technician came. Sorry for these. Let me go ahead and move this. We're still unpacking and stuff, and my honey was looking for something and left those out there. But so he came and he drilled the hole for the unit. He drilled the hole for the internet because my honey did have it rigged. It was going from the front of the house all the way down the front porch and then out to this side through a box that had a actual place where you can connect the cable. So he did that just so I would be able to work. But I do work from home, so we did get my desk set up. And all of this is from my job. That's my baby nephew right there. All of this is from the job. His job issued, so we got this set up and got me a little corner in here. And of course, you know, my honey got that keyboard there. But we're gonna finish setting up this room. I'm going to get a guest bed and put a guest bed right here where the boxes are, and this bean bag and my honey's weighted vest. And like I said, we're still getting here organized. So technically I want a bed here, and that way when we have any guests over, the guests will be able to come and they'll be able to have a place to stay, you know, have a place to. You don't have to worry about getting a hotel or anything. They'll be able to come and stay, because most of our family is out of town. Only my husband's brother is here, so they'll be able to come. Family will be able to come and stay and, you know, be able to have a place where they can sleep. You don't have to worry about paying a hotel, you know, that money. They can save that money. So that's what's going to go here. I got the light off, had the fan on. We got the lights off in here because we're trying to reserve, you know, where it don't get too hot. So this is what it looks like in the office so far. My husband got me that bear for Valentine's Day. He's at work right now. But yeah, so we got my workstation because I work from home. If y'all just tuning in, I only been working from home for about a year. I was a retail manager for 15 years. And the Lord blessed me with this work from home job last year. So that's what I've been doing. And my husband works construction. So he's at a construction site right now. He'll be getting off in a few minutes. But I just wanted to check in with y'all to show y'all what we got going on. That we did get the internet, the technician to come out, and he had got the outlet set up, because technically there was no outlet here. So he got the outlet set up, so we'll be able to have it where we wouldn't have to put a cable. Like we had a cable out the front. I'm gonna put a recap right here so you can see how we had the internet before.
The plug-in for the back, but this thing, the house doesn't have one.
Yeah.
So I mean, it has one, but it's running on the outside. For some reason, it's not inside. It's weird. But anyways, I kind of rigged it up and it worked. So we got internet. It's just really it's not good.
So now we have it, and it's right here. It's fine. It's good. And I'm going to get a shelf here so I can sit that, or end table to sit that on there, so it won't be so, you know, just sitting there like that. You know, the house everything's coming along. You know, you see boxes everywhere, a little bit of clutter because we're still unpacking. So that's just, you know, I'm not used to that. I'm a very organized person. So it's kind of hard to still have boxes laying everywhere and places not in order. But I know we have to give ourselves grace. I know we're moving, and, you know, so stuff is not really where it should be. But it's okay because it's a part of the moving process, right? So we got the living room set up as much as possible right now. We still have to do something with the TV, get a stand or a rack to mount it. My honey put up that picture, but he said it's kind of crooked, so he's gonna get that in order. I don't know why we got a punching bag in the living room. That's my honey. Still a little bit of pictures still need to be hung up. And I sorted out the kitchen, so kind of got things in the places where they should be. Got seasoning, a seasoning cabinet here, with all the seasoning that I use. We got this as a wedding gift from the mother at the church. God bless her. Got that. Got a pots and pans. We also got new. We also cast iron pots. We were blessed with those as a wedding gift also. We use this on a regular basis, air fryer. Sometimes we use a crock pot. And we were blessed with those dishes right there, also as a wedding gift. So I got it here pretty, organized for the most part. It's still some areas that I still have a box here that I have to take care of. And y'all, want y'all to see this kitchen table. This is what we was telling you about, the kitchen table, how, let me zoom out some, how, you see how long it is? So my honey was thinking of maybe, because he has a machine back there. I don't really know the name, the machine that cuts wood. So he has a machine back there. He was thinking about cutting it in half and maybe putting just 2 chairs here, 2 chairs there. Or he was thinking of also just repurposing his wood, using it for something else like a work table or building an end table, and then us just buy another dining table. So that's also an option, us to buy another small dining table. But as you'll see, I want you to see how long it actually is. So my mom actually liked it. When I called her on FaceTime and she liked it. She was like, it's not that bad. But I did want some more walking room here. I wanted more walking room here, so I wanted it closer to the wall. And my husband also wanted it closer to the wall where it's not so big and coming out so far. So let me know what y'all think. How does that look? Like, so it's not bad. You know what I mean? It's not bad, but it's still kind of large. Then we got our verse of the day. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I know that's right. We got boxes saved here because we're going to do a garden. So they said that that's good to put on the base of your garden bed. So we're going to save those for that. And let me show y'all. My honey got stuff here, but I want to show you the pantry. So we got some stuff in the pantry. Like I said, organizing to the best of our ability. So it's not too bad. I got some thumbtacks to hang up little things. Got a clock right there. And a little mitten over there. My honey got his little stuff back here. You know, we got to get it organized. I know you'll see all those fishing poles. We used to do it recreationally just to relax and everything. We don't have a washer and dryer, so we have to get a washer and dryer. Our apartment, the apartment that we had already had a washer and dryer in it, so we didn't need one. But now we have to buy one, so that's why my honey's using this as a storage area. What I technically want to do is get a storage bin or something right here, so that he can put all of his stuff in there, and then get the fishing pole. Like the fishing pole, there's a rod holder you can put for a fishing pole. You can put like 10 or 15 fishing poles in. I want to get that and sit in the corner. Get a shelf here, and then a washer and dryer be there. Then out here, my honey's got things going on out here. Not too much. You have a little ladder right there. He was sweeping it and cleaning it earlier. A few pieces of wood he's going to be working on. The grass did grow back really, really fast. And all those weeds, he's going to get taken care of. My honey said he's going to tackle all of that right there himself. My suggestion was just to pay somebody a few dollars just to have them clear that out, since the landlord, they didn't do that. Because I think they were like saying like this is over, I guess, on the neighbor's side of property or whatever. So they did not do that. They just cut the grass. So my honey wants to clean all of that stuff up, and I think that's a lot for him to do, because we still got to do the garden. Not only are we doing the garden, we also are doing the front yard and getting that in order, and we're also doing the porch. Then we have to build the bed. So there's a lot of to-do lists for us. And I was telling him, let's put a few dollars and just try to get someone to take care of this, because it's all, let me try to show y'all better. It's all types of just like, we don't know if it's poison ivy, you know, we don't know what all that is. There's nothing but woods in the back. So, you know, that kind of tells me that this is probably going to be an ongoing problem, because there's woods there. So it's probably going to grow back really, really quickly. If you can see that little, let me see if you can see that little hole right there. You can see kind of like there's many trees and woods behind it. So I was thinking just getting somebody just to take care of the weeds, and then he can just maintain the grass. That was just my opinion. So we'll see how that goes. That's the machine I was telling you about, that he has to cut the wood. We got to get, oh yeah. So wanted to get like so if the dining table, if we're gonna repurpose it, I was telling him that we can get like an area probably right here for him to work, like put a table right here so that he'll be able to work on his projects and everything. Probably get like an awning over it where he can still, if it like starts drizzling, he'll still be okay. They did tell us again we can get a lattice here, so that was already approved, so that's fine. That's our AC unit that's still not turning, still not working. You can hear it, but it's not doing anything. So yeah, that's the situation. We have that. And then I want to show you one more thing, and that is the portable AC unit that they got for us to temporarily use. I want to show y'all that in the room again. Excuse the mess, we're still unpacking. It's not that bad in here, as you see. It's 83. And it got up to 95 one day, so we still got stuff we gotta. My honey's gonna make the bed frame, but this is what they dropped off to us. And that's 60 right now, so my honey was able to kind of put something together so it can. I know it's not the best, but it's all we had at the moment. And that's keeping our bedroom cool, so that we can, you know, stay cool and everything, and not worry about overheating. A few times when I was working in the office over there, and it was like 90-something degrees in here, I did kind of get overheated. And technically, I should have moved the computer desk. We should have moved the computer desk in here in the bedroom. But there's so much we had to do for that computer desk, because I got to show you my honey actually. So that's the portable unit. So that's keeping this bedroom cool. Most of the time we close the door so that it can stay cool. But most of the time we kind of keep it open just so the hallway can stay cool, and then we try to get into the office space. So this is my honey had to, actually I know you'll see this, the nails here, nails there. Sneak peek, that's the front porch building plan that I did. That's funny. But my honey had to kind of gently rig this up because it was falling apart. And when we transported it, it was already not really that stable. I got this off of Amazon for like $100 a year ago. And it was not that stable, and it fell apart. So he had to kind of gently rig it up and put some nails in it just so it can stick together till we can afford to get another one. And so that'll be the situation. I really, y'all, I have a huge vision for this room. I really want to transform this room. I want to get like an L-shaped computer desk, where there's more room over there and looks more nice and neat. And again, the bed here, picture frame here. Also thinking of a bookshelf here and a little chair, because when I pray in the mornings at our old place, I would go into the living room. But since we have another bedroom now, I kind of want to be able to come in here and also pray and make this a prayer area for me for in the early mornings. I think that would be great. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, so we're blessed. We're hanging in there. God is so good. Thank y'all for your support. Thank y'all for all that y'all have done. We truly appreciate it. We don't really know how to tell y'all thank you, but we truly appreciate our support. And yeah, so the next clip you're about to see, the AC will be working. It'll be the next day. The technician will be here, and everything will be well, and we'll be finally cool. God bless y'all. My honey just got home, and he's about to catch a frog.
All right, so the place is nice though. The only thing is, when the guy did the remodeling, he missed a bunch of cracks, and we noticed that bugs and frogs are getting in
through the cracks in
the cracks. Now my honey don't like any of this stuff. I don't mind it. Obviously, I don't want it in the house, so I'm planning on getting some caulking and some filler to make sure everything's nice and sealed on the inside. I mean, the guy did a good job, but he didn't did the best job in terms of sealing. He did a good job remodeling this thing, but when it came to sealing, he kind of missed some stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because I don't want my honey out here dealing with frogs and lizards. So
thank you, honey.
We got it. See, like right here, this window, there's a gap in here, right up underneath there. That might be a space where they're getting in. These are really old-fashioned doors, not doors, windows. These are well, technically they're old-fashioned windows and doors. So old-fashioned windows are really bad in terms of like actually making a good seal, unlike more modern ones. And yeah, all these are old-fashioned, so I'm gonna have to go around and try to seal them. These things are closed, they're shot, but me and my honey thought, we kind of talked about it, and we decided that the best thing would be to keep them closed because of the bugs, and kind of like they're old fashioned. I would really like to open it and have some breeze, but there's just no way to seal this right. There's just no way. There's bugs. I'd rather them be closed than having bugs. So,
but we will say this. I'm gonna have to block out that. That's on the next video. But I will say this: we will have the option of having them open. We know that there's a fire risk. We understand it.
Yeah. So,
and then we'll have the option of having it open, but we're just gonna choose to keep them closed because we need to have it sealed up for not letting all the rodents.
So we gotta get with the people, and if they say it's cool for us to leave it like that, because we do have two exits, so got the front door and the back door, and obviously, you know, if there's a fire, I don't mind jumping out the window. My honey does, so I'm doing all.
But all is well. It'll be all right, and yeah. So we're gonna move on to the next day, and the next thing you're gonna see is the HVAC. People gonna be here, and we're gonna have the air. So
yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah, it's not bad right now, but it does get hot.
Inside, not bad. Outside, it feels great out here.
But inside it does get a little hot.
And I know some of y'all probably saw some of these plastic rocking chairs right here. This for the next video. So hold tight. We got more content coming. Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna make sure the AC gets fixed, and you'll see the AC technician.